Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, Euro USD and others. So let's get started. And my dear friends, if you do not know much about charting, how does they work and all, if you're a complete beginner, then please watch the mini course that I have uploaded long time ago on my channel for you all. There are around 35 videos, but yes, they are really good for beginners. At least you'll get the basic understanding and knowledge about the functioning of the market. Okay, so please watch the video if you are a beginner. And this is the 1 hour chart of USD JPY in front of us. Yes, today I am with the 1 hour chart, not the 4 hours. The last traded price of USD JPY is 115.19. This is the last traded price, and we can see that it is standing at the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level plus the 50 period moving average. So if we combine these two factors, then there is a possibility that we may see some upside on USD JPY from this level. So if market bounces from the 115.19 or let's say 115.10 level, you can take a buy position considering the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level and the 50 period moving average. Okay, but as we all know, USD JPY has got point impact of the DXY dollar chart, and we have seen huge up move in the USD JPY chart because of the huge uprun by the DXY after the Fed decided around they are about to increase the interest rate from by March and the GDP report. Okay, so these two factors made market very volatile. There was a huge uprun on US dollar DXY, and as a result we also saw good buying on the chart of USD JPY. And if the uptrend on the US dollar DXY continues, then there is a possibility of USD JPY bouncing from the present level. And as I have already said, that we have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level plus the 50 pair moving average, so you can take a buy. Yes, you can take a buy position after the market opening in the present market level. But yes, just make sure that there is not much heavy selling on the dollar chart, because if there if sudden heavy sell comes in the chart of dollar, then yes, USD JPY also face the impact. Okay, so keep your eyes on it. So this is our first trading opportunity, and the second trading opportunity that I see is if market breaks also this level, do not take any sell position, because as we all know, market has only one rule: follow the trend is your friend. So considering the trend of the market, taking a sell position in this market is very risky. If market breaks also this level, then wait for the market to test 114.80 level. This is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Dollar is also bullish, USD JPY is also bullish. There is a good possibility that if market fails also to respect the level, then good possibility of USD JPY bouncing from 114.80 level, because this is a good retracement level and the trend is in your favor. Okay, so the first trading opportunity is this level, and if it fails, this is your second trading opportunity. And if a sudden buying comes into the market, if we see a huge after in the market, and if we see a sudden up move in the market, then wait for the market to break the level of 115.70. Okay, so if market breaks the level of 115.70, all of a sudden gives us a shock, then also you can take a buy position. But yes, you'll have to wait for some time, because this is a resistance for the market right now. So if market breaks also this level, wait for at least 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours, and just try to see how the market is doing, how the market is reacting. If you see that after 3-4 hours market is trading comfortably above this level, that will give you the confirmation that yes, The breakout is true. This is not a false breakout, this is a true breakout, and the resistance has become the new support, and then you can take a buy position at this level. Okay, but that's a different chapter. Right now market is trading in this level. Let's see how the market reacts after the market opening. If market bounces, dollar also supports the move, you can take a buy in this level, and if it fails, then this will be your next level. Let's see. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and follow proper risk management.